Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.92. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 6.01%. This equates to an average return of 0.55% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $133.06 could first indicate a slower rate of decline, and may also serve as the initial sign of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 10.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 21.38% to negative 8.95%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a positive change of 68.62% over the next year, with a potential return between 52.29% and 100%. This projection translates to a price range between $199.71 and $262.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of 1.25% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025. The price fell from $132.80 to $131.14. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.45%, ranging from a low of $129.08 to a high of $132.24. Notably, the stock has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 6.01% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 159 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $20.8 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $153.13, while the lowest was $66.25. Currently, the stock price is 14.36%, or $21.99, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia continues to attract attention as it finds itself in a great spot within the tech ecosystem, especially as excitement around technology is expected to persist until at least the year 2030. However, investors are being cautioned not to expect the exceptional returns seen in the year 2024, suggesting a more moderate economic outlook. The latest official inflation numbers have raised concerns about potential Federal Reserve rate hikes, creating a cautious atmosphere that could weigh on Nvidia's stock in the short term. Despite these challenges, Nvidia remains pivotal in the artificial intelligence landscape, which has driven significant market gains since late 2022. Analysts suggest Nvidia's stock could rise by 30% over the next year, bolstered by its strategic position in AI and technological innovations. New partnerships, such as Salvador Tech's launch of a cyber incident recovery platform utilizing Nvidia's Bluefield 3 technology, underline the company's role in advancing cybersecurity solutions, potentially opening additional revenue streams. Supermicro's bullish outlook regarding demand for Nvidia's Blackwell GPUs speaks to the ongoing strength in Nvidia's core business. In the long term, as the demand for AI applications and sophisticated computing power continues to grow, Nvidia is well positioned to capitalize on these trends, making its stock compelling for both short-term and long-term investors. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 2nd of February, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer provided NVDA with an outperform rating and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NVDA a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. The Nvidia stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This is concerning, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, leading to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it may encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $134.10. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is likely to find support from the short-term average at $128.42. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and heighten the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, February 10, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 1.82%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the previous trading day, which helps mitigate overall risk, as it is expected that volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average again shows a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $128.99. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.16, representing a change of 2.45%. In the last week, the daily average volatility has been 2.79%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 26th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 84 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $133.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $128.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Puriya J.K., who bought and sold 36,606 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 92.977. Overall, insiders purchased 99,852 shares and sold 8,102,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia shows several negative signals, and we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we expect Nvidia to open lower by 320 cents, starting at $130.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.